What's going on with the truckers? So this topic right here is extremely touchy, and a lot of people probably feel like they'd probably get canceled for talking about it. So let's talk about it real quick. Tiffany Cross, she's a news anchor on MSNBC. Yesterday on Sunday, she has a guest on. She's talking about truck schools and how to help with supply shortage and truck driver shortage. But Tiffany Cross, what she want to talk about? She wants to say, of course, be relatable. Hey, my brother is a truck driver.
I have to tell you, my brother is a truck driver, and he drives across the country, and it's very nerve-wracking to me when he's on the road.
But this is what she says. She goes, well, I did my research, and majority of truck drivers are Caucasian, white, and they're aggressive, and they're over the age of 55, and they all voted for Trump.
Talked to a lot of truck drivers, and preparing for this segment, again, an industry populated by a lot of white men over the age of 55. This group of people overwhelmingly voted for Trump. Some people have talked about, aggressive truck drivers, cutting them off or not being helpful.
All I have to say about that is I'm talking to the American people right now. We are so divided as people. But truck drivers, believe me, we're all being treated the same, and it's being treated like shit. The American Truck Association, even though I don't trust anything they say, they even busted out and said, look, 41.5% of truck drivers are minorities. That's almost half, okay? I've been on the road, owner-operator, for the last 10 years. That's not long, and I know that, but I felt it maybe once or twice. And honestly, most of the time, when I feel something like that, it's from my own people. It's my own people that want me to be down. There are good and bad people of all colors, man. This country, girl, stop trying to divide people, okay? This country is messed up as it is. We're doing everything we can to keep people together. I think as of right now, we're more united as truck drivers as we've ever been before. We all go through the same struggles. And believe me, there aren't a whole bunch of white guys going around trying to cut off everybody else, okay? So I think you owe some people an apology, because I know there's a lot of friends of mine that are very beautiful people that, they would not make a video about this because they're afraid of the cancel culture. All right, but let's be more positive. Let's talk about the topics that you were there to talk about. Let's help this nice lady get more drivers to help out the trucking community and just bless the world, man. That's what you should have done for her, but instead you made it about something else. But mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. Tell me, is it 99% white guys out here? And are they all aggressive, cutting people off? Or am I just going crazy? But we'll talk to you guys soon.